Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. In today's video guys, here we'll be working on a forward edge guys, and we'll show you how to remove and replace third brake light or the spray nozzle for the rear wiper on forward edge first generation guys. This brake light right here or the spray nozzle is there as well. Stay with us, that's what we'll be covering. It actually may work on Lincoln MKX because both of them share the same platform guys, and many of the components are interchangeable or they're actually even the same. Quick introduction, every single car we get at the shop, including this generation forward edge, we make guys at least 200 videos. Why we guys take our cars completely apart? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Hopefully you will find the information helpful. Now if you guys need to buy replacement parts, tools, anything like that, check out the link in the description of the video below and you'll see guys where you can get all that from. And that way you don't have to waste time looking for things guys. Now this is a 2009 forward edge that we'll demonstrate on. This is the third brake light. Let me explain quick. LED third brake light, and this is the nozzle guys, okay, spray nozzle for the rear wiper. So now what we need to do, few up head screwdriver guys, okay, like that, and we need to remove two screws guys, okay, one on the right side, perfect, one we have guys on the left side after that. Great. Now, what else guys? Okay, that thing will be stuck here. So, we need to get a plastic panel removal tool guys. Plastic panel removal tool. Go ahead, okay. Grab it and try to pull it out guys. Okay, oh my goodness, my heart skipped a beat. I think I just saw that glass. Okay, that glass actually bending. Okay, it was bent quite a bit. So, you have to be careful. Okay, let's see what else is holding here, because obviously guys, okay, there is a problem here. Okay, right here you can see it's double-sided tape that you need to actually break loose guys. Okay, and once you do that, guys, you will be able to pull it out. Now what do we guys have here? Okay, check it out. We had a clip guys, okay, one clip, it's a guide. Let me focus quick. Okay, give me a second. This white clip, okay, just goes right here in the middle. This is the spray nozzle and the hose guys right here attaching. So if you want to remove it guys, all we have to do, grab the hose and just twist it out guys. It is stuck a little bit, so we'll have to push it up. Okay, perfect. Make sure it doesn't go in now. Okay, make sure you don't drop it guys, because you try to go in the, okay, actually inside the spoiler there. And this is guys the third brake light. Okay, just disconnect the light. Okay, you can see just like that. That's how you guys remove it. If you need to buy a new one, we'll have the link in the description of the video below. Check it out. Thank you for watching guys. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.